हिस्ट्री क्लास 11। नाम जगदीश कुमार, क्वालिफिकेशन MA BEd, डिजिग्नेशन लेक्चर इन हिस्ट्री, स्कूल HSS नागसिनी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट किश्तवाड़, यूनिट 8 में आइए। कन्फर्मेशन ऑफ कल्चर्स यूनिट का नाम है। डिस्कस द ब्रीफली द मेन फीचर्स ऑफ एजिटेक सिविलाइजेशन, व्हाट लेड टू द डिक्लाइन ऑफ द सिविलाइजेशन। तो एजिटेक सिविलाइजेशन क्या थी, उसका मेन फीचर क्या था, और उसका डिक्लाइन जवाल कैसे आया। एजटेक्स वर द इनहेबिटेंट्स ऑफ नॉर्थ मैक्सिको। मैक्सिको की एक सिविलाइजेशन थी, नॉर्थ मैक्सिको की। द मेन फीचर्स ऑफ एजटेक सिविलाइजेशन वर एज फॉलो। पोजिशन ऑफ द इम्पीरियल। एजटेक किंग एंजॉयड सुप्रीम स्टेटस इन द सोसाइटी। राजा का अच्छा स्टेटस था सोसाइटी में। ही एंजॉयड डिस्पोटिक पावर्स। हिज एवरी वर्ड वाज रिगार्डेड ए लॉ। उसका कोई भी शब्द कानून था। नन कुड एवर डेयर टू डिसओबे हिज कमांड्स। उसकी कमांड को कोई नकार नहीं सकता था। ही यूज टू डेल ए मैग्निफिशेंट पैलेसेस। वो एक बड़े महल में रहते थे। स्पेशल सॉर्ट ऑफ नॉर्म्स वर फॉलोड इन हिज कोर्ट। ही वाज वर्शिप्ड बाय द पीपल लाइक ए डाइटी। तो लोग उसकी पूजा करते थे भगवान की तरह। ही वॉज रिगार्डेड एज द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ सन ऑन अर्थ। तो उसको रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द सन कहा जाता था। द किंग वॉज elected by the tribal assembly. He was expected to the debut in solidly attitudes, according to the famous historian Bernal. The emperor was lord over everybody and everything. His authority was absolute. He was head priest as well as great military chiefs. Art. Aztec rulers was a great ruler of art. The fifth Aztec ruler, Montezuma, first built a capital city of Tenochtitlan in 1325 CE. It was constructed in the middle of Mexico Lake. Mexico Lake के पास बनाया था. It was adorned with magnificent palaces, temple and gardens बनाए थे, temple बनाया था. Even the Spaniards who came here in coming years were stunned to see the splendors of the city. In the 16th century, it was reckoned to be one of the largest city in America, और वो अमेरिका का एक बहुत बड़ा सिटी बन गया था. Classes. Aztec society was hierarchical autocracy, enjoyed the place of prominence in it. It comprises the members of the royal family, priests, military officers, and some opulent traders. They were appointed on the important administrative posts. तो administrative post पर बड़े अमीर लोगों को ही चुना जाता था. They enjoyed several kinds of privileges. The traders also served the government and ambassadors and spies. जो traders थे उनको ambassador भी बनाया जाता था. Talented craftsmen, physician, teachers also enjoyed much respect in the society. तो craftsmen, physician, teachers की भी society में अच्छी इज्जत थी. The slaves constituted the lower most strata of the society. जो lower caste के लोग थे उनको slaves माना जाता था. वो slave का काम करते थे. The position was kind की position जो थी वो अच्छी नहीं थी. Occupation. The Aztec followed diverse occupation of agriculture was the main occupation. तो वो लोग खेती करते थे on account of the fact that there was a scarcity of land. The Aztec adopted novel method. They used to create artificial islands in the Mexico Lake by covering the mats made of reed with muds and leaves. They were called chinampas. This land was not owned by any particular person, rather it was under the control of an entire family. तो एक entire family के अंडर ज़मीन होती थी. The main crops grown here were corn, beans, pumpkin, manioc, root, potatoes, etc. Besides agriculture, the Aztec also used to work as weavers, jewelers, potters, makers of weapons using different metals वगैरह बनाते थे. Education. Aztecs used to lay special emphasis on education. एजुकेशन पर बहुत ज़्यादा जोर दिया जाता था. The schools wherein children belonging to autocratic families used to study were called Kalamic. Kalamic. Here they were imported instruction to become military and religious leaders. Both these occupations were in great demand in the contemporary Aztec society. The schools wherein the children belonging to the families of the commoners used to study were called Teleochkali. Here the boys received training in military, agriculture and trade. They also learned theology and history. The girls were trained in home science and moral education. तो महिलाओं को दी जाती थी, लड़कियों को. Position of the women. The women enjoyed a good social status in the Aztec society. They enjoyed right to education. Some women also served as priest. कुछ महिलाएं priest भी बनती थी. Some women used to assist their men in agriculture. उनके मर्द खेती करते थे. Some women also used to work as shopkeepers. वो तो दुकानदारी भी करती थी. Most of the women were housewives. At that time the girls were married usually at age of 16 years. 16 साल की उम्र में लड़कियों की शादी की जाती थी. The marriages were solemnized with great pomp and show at that time. Customs of giving dowry to the girls was prevalent. तो दहेज सिस्टम भी उस ज़माने में था. Religion was the pivot around which the life of Aztec used to revolve. It can well to be understood from the fact that there lived more than 5,000 priests in their capital. लगभग 5,000 प्रीस्ट रहते थे. Tenochtitlan alone. The Aztec were polytheists. Their calendar was divided into 18 months. उनका कैलेंडर 18 मंथ का था. Each month was dedicated to a particular deity. Sun was their chief god. तो भगवान सूरज उनका मुख्य भगवान था, देवता था. He was aware of all that was happening in the world and used to punish the immoral. War god was their second most important deity. Victory or defeat in war depended upon his will. Corn goddess was their chief female deity. He was believed to be the progenitor of all the deities. Massive and magnificent temples were built in the memory of these goddesses. In these temples, the beautiful idols of these goddesses were placed in order to place these deities. Here, a large number of human sacrifices were performed. At that time, the people believed that person who offers self-sacrifice secures a direct place in heaven. Aztec believed in afterlife. They also believed in several kinds of superstitions. Decline. In 1519 CE, Hernando Cortes of Spain had invaded Aztec Empire. तो स्पेन का जो कॉर्टेस जो था, हेर्नाडो कॉर्टेस, उसने एज़टेक एम्पायर पर हमला किया. Within 2 years he was able to crush the whole Aztec civilization. There were so many factors responsible which led to the decline of Aztec empire so rapidly. Firstly, the Aztec rulers had imposed heavy taxes on the public. तो उन्होंने बहुत बड़े टैक्स लगाए थे. It led to great resentment among them. Secondly, due to the incessant warfare, the soldiers were fed up with their Aztec rulers. Thirdly, Aztec rulers committed great atrocities on the people of those regions which was newly brought under their rule, so they resented their Aztec rulers. Fourthly, in the Aztec Empire, a large number of prisoners and non-Aztec were sacrificed daily. Due to this, they wanted to put an end to such a passive rule. So, at that time of invasion, Hernando Cortes, these people gave their maximum help to him. लोगों ने उनकी हेल्प की. Therefore, there is no wonder that such an empire came to know. तो इसकी खात्मा हो गया. तो इसी के साथ ये क्वेश्चन यहीं पर समाप्त होता है. नमस्कार.